Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Anwar Faranda. I'm from class management 23 SP and NPM 2341150. Today, I would like to invite all of us to explore one of the most crucial topic in the modern business world, international strategy management of wealth that can determine with the accompanying success or fail in competing within the dynamic global marketplace. Why is this topic important? Because in today's era, the geographical boundaries in business have become increasingly blurred. International trade, capital flow, advanced communication technology, and fast transportation have created an ecosystem where companies no longer compete solely in domestic market. Even small businesses now have the opportunity to reach market across continents through e-commerce and digital technology. However, this opportunity comes with complex challenges, cultural difference, diverse regulation, political risks, and global economic volatility. The purpose of this presentation is to provide a comprehensive understanding of how companies can design effective strategy at the international level, understand the essential component, identify alternative strategy, and recognize the challenges that must be addressed. Definition of international strategic management. Let us begin with the definition. International strategic management is a comprehensive and continuous process that involves the formulation, implementation, and evaluation of strategies to compete in international markets. The difference from domestic strategy lies in its scale and complexity. In an international strategy, company must consider political and legal difference between countries, sociocultural difference such as language, value, norms, and customer behavior, and economic difference including purchasing power and inflation rate, and technology factor, which may vary in advancement between regions, environmental and sustainability factors, which are becoming an increasing global concern. Before, an international strategy is not merely about expanding market reach, it is about building a plan that can adapt to the complex cross-border business ecosystem. And strategic challenges in international business. In practice, companies face two major strategic challenges: responding to change in the global and local environment. The global business environment changes rapidly. For example, a trade war between two major countries and disrupt global supply chains, or a pandemic like COVID-19 can be for companies to transform their business model in a short time. Companies must be able to acceptable this change not only at the global level but also within the local context of its market. Efficient utilization of global resources. Competitive advantage of many international companies lies in their ability to optimize resources across multiple locales. For instance, a company may manufacture components in country with cost, assemble them in another country with advanced infrastructure, and sell them through digital distribution network. This level of integration requires careful strategy to ensure that low costs do not compromise quality or delivery speed. Competitive advantage in the global market. Competitive advantage is key to surviving and thriving in the global market. There are three main forms of competitive advantage. Global efficiency. Company leverage economy of scale, producing in large quantity to reduce per unit cost and integrate operational across the country. For example, electronic company like Samsung manufacture components in multiple countries and in- integrate them to achieve global efficiency. Learning across the world. International markets are a valuable source of learning. For instance, McDonald's learned from its customer who preferred smaller portions and then adapted to either to other market creating snack-size menu item. Multinational flexibility. Flexibility means the ability to adapt product, service, or marketing strategy to the unique condition to each country. Coca-Cola, for example, use very different marketing strategy in Latin America compared to the Middle East, adjusting to local culture and customer. Alternative international strategy. When entering global market, company can choose from three main strategy. Global strategy. This strategy emphasizes full standardization across single market. That advantage include high efficiency and brand consistency. The drawback is limited flexibility to adapt to local tastes. Multi-domestic strategy. In this strategy, each market is increasing equally product, pricing, and promotion are tailored to local needs and culture. The advantage is closeness to local consumer, but the cost is higher due to a lack of standardization. International strategy. In strategy that combine global efficiency with local adaptation. The strategy is complex too because it requires excellent coordination among business units worldwide. Alternative international strategy. When entering global market, company can choose from three main strategy. Hmm, Core component of an international strategy. An effective international strategy is built upon three components. Scope, determining the geographic region and market segment to be served. For example, will the company focus on Southeast Asia and directly target the global market? Resource deployment, allocating resources such as capital, human resource, and technology strategically to location offering the greatest competitive advantage. Synergy, ensuring that all business units support each other so that the total performance exceeds the sum of individual performance. The process of developing an international strategy. Development of an international strategy is not just an idea but a structured process that includes mission statement, defining the company long-term direction and goal in the global market, environmental scanning and SWOT analysis, monitoring the external and internal environment to identify opportunity and threat, strategy objective, setting clear, measurable, and achievable goals, tactic, outlining specific operational step, control framework, providing mechanism to monitoring effort and adjust the strategy. Level of international strategy. International strategy is implemented at three main levels. Corporate strategy focus on the overall direction of the organization, including production, diversification, and market selection. Business strategy focus on how to compete effectively in specific market. And functional strategy focus on strategy at the departmental level such as marketing, operation, and human resource. And finally, conclusion. In conclusion, international strategy management is both an art and a science in managing resource navigation, global complexity, and seizing cross-border opportunity. Success depends not only on creating superior product or service, but also on expecting the right strategy, deeply understanding the market, and building the flexibility to adapt to unexpected change. And thank you for attention. And thank you for presentation. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.